Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and greetings. My name is Nur Syafiqah Aziz and I'm going to present on insufficiency of soft skills among graduates within the services and manufacturing industries. These are the authors, myself, Madam Noshima Zainal Shah and Madam Afifah Qureshi Abdul Nasir. For introduction, the unemployment rate in Malaysia, according to the figure, is at 3.5% as of February 2023. So the competition is tougher due to the rising number of graduates, resulting in an increasing unemployment rate. It is said that most graduates have strong educational backgrounds, but when it comes to securing jobs, they lack the necessary soft skills. Soft skills are important to assist employees to thrive by fostering a good and productive work environment. These are the research objectives. The first one is to identify the soft skills that are required by organizations. Second one is to investigate the soft skills that are provided by organizations. And the third one is to identify graduate soft skills from employers' perspectives. These are the research questions. The first one is what are the soft skills required by the organizations? Second one is what are the soft skills provided by the organizations to their employees? And the last one is what are the soft skills possessed by graduates from employers' perspectives? For literature review, Nur Syafiqah and Belinda 2022 mentioned that soft skills are considered a subset of critical thinking. The soft skills are most closely tied to the critical thinking affective domain because they entail feelings, emotions, and attitudes. This is supported by Caldwell, Bloom, and Marcia 1964. This domain includes how we emotionally connect with things and is further separated into 5 subdomains: receiving, responding, valuing, organization, and characterization. So although most people think of learning as an intellectual or mental function, we may also learn attitudes and actions as soft skills. The Malaysian government has identified several soft skills that are vital to the employability of new graduates. Critical thinking is seen as an umbrella, as you can see in this figure, which encompasses of all the learning domains in a human being. So additionally, if all 3 domains were given equal attention, this produces balanced individuals, which is the ultimate aim of Malaysia's national education philosophy. This is the theoretical framework for this study. We are using theory of progressive education by John Dewey. So this theory is applied to this research as Dewey 1956 explained that as an individual's interactions with their environment shape both their instrumental intelligence and the values that guide those interactions. This then generates education through real-world encounters. In connection to the issue of graduates' unemployment, this theory proposes that universities have close ties with the sectors in which they operate to establish a social framework to familiarize and prepare graduates for the working world. This is the conceptual framework. So you can see here, soft skills possessed by graduates from employees' perspectives is affected by soft skills that can be learned at the organization. Soft skills possessed by graduates from employers' perspective is also affected by soft skills needed by the organizations, which soft skills needed by the organization is affected by soft skills that can be learned at the organizations. For hypotheses, these are null hypotheses got from the conceptual framework. The first one is there is no significant relationship between the soft skills needed by the organizations and the soft skills that can be learned by the graduates at the organizations. The second one is there is no significant relationship between the soft skills owned by the graduates from employees' perspective and the soft skills that can be learned by the graduates at the organizations. The third hypothesis is there is no significant relationship between the soft skills possessed by the graduates from employers' perspective and soft skills deemed important by employers for their organizations. For methodology, this questionnaire is adapted from the role of personal core skills in the working life competency of graduates from the Trans-European Framework for Core Personal Skills. So as you can see here, because it was adapted, all the core skills used on the original questionnaire was replaced by the soft skills that was promoted by Ministry of Higher Education, which is communication skills, teamwork skills, leadership skills, problem solving and critical thinking skills, continuous learning and information management skills, professional ethics and entrepreneurship skills. So the samples are employees from the services and manufacturing sectors. Their contact information was obtained from the Federation of Manufacturing Malaysia. And the questionnaire was made available online for 1 month in the form of a Google form, and as a result, 85 employers completed the questionnaire. Using SPSS version 25.0, both descriptive and inferential analysis were performed on the collected data. For frequency, percentage, mean score, and normality tests are all included in the descriptive analysis, while Spearman correlation was used for the inferential analysis because the data is not normally distributed. For data analysis and results. For reliability analysis, so we got the as you can see in the table below, complex alpha based on standardized items, we got 0.864, which according to the alpha combat value table, it is in between 0.80 to 0.89, which indicates it is good, meaning that it is reliable. For descriptive analysis, section B, question 7, significance of soft skills to organizations. Question B, section B, question 7, for problem solving and critical thinking, has the highest mean score value, which is 4.51, indicates that it is most significant, while entrepreneurship skills has the lowest mean value, which is 3.51, indicates that it is least significant. For section B, question 8, learning soft skills at organizations. So teamwork skills got the highest mean value of 4.37, meaning it is most learned in organizations. But entrepreneurship skills, again, has the lowest mean value, 2.29, which indicates it is least learned in an organization. For section B, question 9, do graduates have soft skills? So, continuous learning and information management skills have the highest mean score level, which is 3.74, meaning that most graduates have these soft skills, while entrepreneurship skills have the lowest mean score level, which is 2.94, indicates that least graduates have these soft skills. For inferential analysis, the first, the normality test was done to all the items in the questionnaire. The tests done are skewness, kurtosis, Kolmogorov, Smirnov, and Shapiro-Wilk. So in SPSS, the skewness and kurtosis statistic values should be less than plus minus 1.0 to be considered as normal. And for Shapiro-Wilk and Kolmogorov-Smirnov, according to the rule of thumb, a variable is not normally distributed if significance is less than 0.05. So the result showed that the data was not normally distributed, hence the Spearman rule was calculated to test correlation. For inferential analysis, for question 7, the question 7 and question 8, the correlation, we got 0.515, which indicates a strong relationship, a strong correlation. So the result of the Spearman's correlation analysis revealed that there was a strong relationship between the significance of soft skills needed by organizations and the soft skills that can be acquired at the organizations. For question 8, for correlation for question 8 and question 9, we got 0.272, which is a moderate relationship. So the result of Spearman's correlation analysis revealed that there was a moderate relationship between graduate soft skills and the soft skills that can be learned at the organizations. Correlation between question 7 and question 9 is 0.105. So it indicates a no or negligible relationship. So the results of the stimulus correlation analysis revealed that there was no or negligible relationship between the significance of soft skills at organization and graduate soft skills. For result 1, employers stated that problem-solving and critical thinking abilities are their organization's most important soft skills, with a mean score of 4.51, and entrepreneurship skills is the least important soft skills, with a mean score of 2.51. And teamwork skills is among the soft skills that employees will impart to graduate, with a mean score of 4.37, but they give the least for entrepreneurship skills. The organizations recognize that the graduates who join their companies have the capacity to learn continuously, but lack the opportunity to pursue entrepreneurship skills from their organizations. So from this result, we got that the need for more activities for problem solving and critical thinking at universities, and entrepreneurship skills are least needed and least nurtured in services and manufacturing industries. Result 2, according to the results of the empirical analysis, there is a substantial positive correlation between the importance of soft skills in organizations and the soft skills that can be acquired at the organizations. So the organization focus on the soft skills needed in respective industries. The second one is there is no connection between graduate soft skills and the importance of soft skills in organizations. This indicates that there is a mismatch between what graduates have and what is needed by organizations. The last one is the graduate soft skills and the soft skills learned at the organization show a moderately good association. This indicates that if graduates come with soft skills, there is a tendency that their skills will be developed more when they are working at the organization. In conclusion, the organizations provide learning opportunities for employees that are relevant to their organization. Second is the findings also support claims made by employers that graduates lack soft skills. And on the other hand, the skills that graduates bring to the workplace are applicable to the companies where they work, and this shows that universities do nurture soft skills in students. Finally, the significance of this study. Collaboration helps bridge the gap between academia and industry, ensuring that the academia is relevant, where what is being taught is applicable to real-world problems. So collaboration provides opportunities for students and future employers to gain hands-on experience and develop practical skills. Graduates can apply their theoretical knowledge in real-world scenarios and develop a better understanding of industry needs. This enhances their employability and makes them better prepared for the workforce. So this study is significant because it encourages the importance of collaborations between educational institutions and industries in order to provide students with the practical experience they need for future employment. That is all for this presentation. Thank you.